So now we have changed the car. We have Farooq bhai with us. Farooq bhai say hi. Farooq bhai is Mithu bhaiya's. नहीं मिट्ठू भैया आपके ताया के लड़के हैं. आपके cousin है. What's up everybody? So we are on our way from Ras Al Khaimah to Dubai today, downtown. I'm meeting a very old friend of mine called Peter. He's from Austria. अंग्रेजी बोल रहा है यो भी. हमारे मुल्क से ही होगा यो भी. So this is the desert. The good thing about the desert here is that as the emirate changes, the desert color change. The sand's color will change definitely. So we are exiting Ras Al Khaimah and we're going straight to Dubai. So I'm telling you, we're going to meet a friend of mine called Peter from Austria. He owns a big crypto exchange in Austria. He's basically invited a lot of people here for a meeting or like a mini conference, informal conference, people from India, Austria. So he's invited me. And he's been coming and residing in Dubai and doing business here for a long while. So we're going to be meeting him right now. I think I'm going to be meeting him after 4.5 years now. Shall be good, nice, funny guy. So we're going to him right now. You see, a lot of these Westerners, people from all around the globe are flocking to the UAE in 2026. Can you think what the reason is? Sorry guys, I slept in the car. Didn't sleep too much last night, slept very late and then woke up and went to Ajman for the biometric now. Anyway, we are in Dubai, you can see, going currently to Business Bay. There's a building called One by Omniath. Nitin has already reached there and let's see, meeting Peter. Also I need to get some sleep man, proper sleep. I've been moving around here and there every day. मैं दोनों मैं पी लूंगा. क्या हो गया? What happened? Today your video is coming out in which you are saying that you are organized. हाँ कड़क. Is there a dustbin? Yeah. मैं cigarette पीऊँ यार. I slept in the car now guys, so I'm a little zonked out. And this beautiful man has gotten me 2 cups of kadak chai. Today you are looking Django new shoes, huh? Old one. It is for 1 juta. For 2 it's they are. You are looking nice today, but for a change. Yes, today you are looking nice. You haven't gelled your hair today. Why? You have some grey hairs. What grey hairs? Killer shoes, Peter bro.
They're so nice.
Yeah.
Amazing. Why not, brother?
Sexy आदमी हो आप.
I need it now. After the meeting we go.
Come home, then come. Come, let's go. I don't have a problem. I'll tell.
The meeting done and then.
I'll tell Roshni, my wife, to make Indian food.
Yes.
खाओगे? You wanna eat?
Okay.
चल.
घर के खाना Indian खाना. I need this session. You're recording the video for us.
I vlog every day, brother. So finally, you guys saw Peter. Sorry.
You're available.
I am definitely available anytime for you, Peter.
Yes. So let's call tomorrow morning.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because then I know how late it's going to be.
No problem. Tomorrow we'll fix this and tomorrow we'll finalize this also. No problem.
Great to see you.
Same here, brother.
We have to make party again.
For sure. Big party.
What do you think? You like it?
Yeah, I think it's a good thing.
I think it's
Yeah. We are currently in Business Bay. है कि नहीं? The car. See you Peter, bye. Take care, bye. अच्छा लगा मिलके इससे आज बहुत समय बाद. ना, तो पहले भी मिला हुआ है. बोल रहे फारूक भाई? हाँ, कुछ नहीं छोड़ा. रियल एस्टेट तो है ही वैसे भी बड़ा यहाँ पे. और रसल खैमा शांत है. रसल खैमा है स्कूल शांति.
इधर ही टाइम बिताया.
अच्छा. So I have to go back to Ras Al Khaimah now and then finish up a couple of things and then come back to Dubai in the night at 12 o'clock for another session. So yes, ट्रैफिक तो मिलेगा फारूक भाई हमें. नहीं मैप तो दिखा रहा है 1 घंटा 19 मिनट. हाँ ये बात तो सच है. So that is the Burj Khalifa as you guys can see. Today has been a long day. First we went to Ajman, then now Ras Al Khaimah Ajman, Ajman Ras Al Khaimah, then Ras Al Khaimah Dubai, then now Dubai Ras Al Khaimah. फिर in the night we again had to come to Dubai. So yes, I just have to finish my daily ritual of doing the job and then I'm okay. Construction everywhere in Dubai. Yeah. So Peter's a good man. I've met him after a long while this time and yeah, feels good. Tomorrow I think we're going to go out for some. फारूक भाई जी हद हो गई आज ना जाम से.
इस टाइम में जाम होता है. अब 10 बजे आगे फिर नहीं मिलेगा.
Man, we've been stuck thrice in a position, in different positions for more than half an hour. The traffic's not moving at all. So I gotta go home, edit this video for today so that this comes out tomorrow morning. Have dinner, take a shower, and I need to draft an email to another radio station in Mexico. Yes, by the way, there are desis in Mexico. So after that, I'm gonna go get ready, and Nitin's gonna come home in his Fortuner, and we're gonna head back to Dubai Marina with Mithu Bhaiya. So it's been a long day, but what to do? You gotta do what you gotta do, man. How are you all doing? Please do comment and let me know what's going on in your lives and what is that you would like to watch more. So finally we have cleared the jam, and I think we are right now where, Ajman?
Yes.
Yes. Farooq Bhaiji is also happier now. No jam. Hai? Chalo, so finally we are moving at 115 kilometers per hour, and this is brilliant. More 121 kilometers per hour now. The reason a lot of these Westerners are and people from different countries are flocking to UAE in 2026 is because of, the most important thing that they look for and that attracts them is the tax-free living. You know, they all feel Dubai, UAE is a territory where there are no taxes besides a few. Just imagine, a better life for your family, good quality of air that you breathe. A couple of years to your longevity will automatically get added, as compared to living in India. More peace, nobody bothers you, as long as you follow the rules. And that's the quality of life that you should aim for all along. You have to self-improve and improve your life in all ways possible. So it's doable. If you put your mind to something, you can execute and you can manifest it. Think about it. We finally have entered Ras Al Khaimah. Farooq Bhaiji, to home. Very good. Took us a long way, man. Long way to. But anyhow, we guys are in Iraq now, which is good. Roads are empty. Back to empty roads, and the desert wilderness feels good, feels calm. Away from Dubai, hustle bustle. Anyway, I'm going to be ending the video here. You guys have a great day, and rise and shine without wine. Be positive. Adios, amigos. See you next time.